If you want to add an event to calendar on Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to the calendar app, which you should be able to find in the Google folder in the app drawer. There we go. And once you open the calendar, you can just simply press on this plus button in the bottom right corner, and you should be able to find the event option. Now in here we can set up the title of the event. You can also choose to which calendar you want to attach the event. And here we can pick the date and time, so we can tap on the date in order to change it quite easily. And you can do the same thing with the time. Also, you can make the event last the whole day if you select all day option. And you can choose the time zone, of course. We can also choose if the event should be repeatable or not. Besides that, we can add people to the event. We can add video conferencing over here. We can add location if needed, and so much more. And of course, we also can manage notifications, so you can choose when you want to be notified about the event. Once you set everything up, press save in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.